Hello, welcome to the Quick Pallet Maker web application. In this example, we will work with product classes and how to add and edit them in the database. The first step is to log in with a name and a password. Once we're there, we can see that in the product section, we have classes, packages, boxes, and pallets. Classes can be used by packages and by boxes. So we click on classes, and we usually have empty classes for the primary and secondary. Here we can add either a primary class or a secondary class, and we can also add rules to them. So we have the primary list, the secondary list, and we have rules section that we can pick any class, okay? And we also have an editor. So if we want to add them manually, we can go to the editor. And we can see that here we can pick between primary and secondary. So let's just create a primary class. We'll call it test and a test class. If we add this class here, we'll see that it already has been added. And if we go back to the primary list, we'll see that we have this test class here. If we go to the rules section, we can select it, and we'll see that there are no rules, no loading rules, nor other type of description. So we go to the editor, and here we can pick that class, and we can add a property. So if we click on add property, we can add a loading rule. Loading rule, for example, if we want to load a truck, we can put a side loading rule in which we can pick whether the items will be on the pilot side or the co-pilot side, or we can use a rule in which you can pick and from other classes where you can mix them or not in the same pallet, or the minimum amount of products per SKU. So let's just add one like this. We say that with the maximum amount, sorry, is a value of 10. So we can add this rule, okay, this rule of property, and then we can add another one. Again, the side loading rule in which we'll say that these items are placed on the copilot side. And we add it. We see that we have added two of them. We can close this window. And now we have two. And then we will click here to edit class to save it. Okay, so when we go back to the primary class list, we have the test class here, and we will go to the rules, we pick it. We'll see that we have added two loading rules to this class. Thank you.